According to Hays County court records, District Clerk Avery Anderson filed a petition to remove Hays County DA Kelly Higgins out of office. In the petition, it states under Texas law, a Texas criminal district attorney or district attorney is responsible for representing the state in all criminal cases in the district's courts. Governor Greg Abbott signed a total of 8 public safety-related bills into law, including HB 17, which aims to hold so-called rogue district attorneys accountable. Under the law, a DA's refusal to prosecute certain types of crimes would constitute official misconduct. This would then allow the prosecutor to potentially be removed from office by a judge from outside of the district.
If a district attorney wants to be in law enforcement, they have to start by enforcing the laws. If they want to make state policy, they should run for the state legislature.
The petition claims that Higgins committed the following unlawful actions: refusing to prosecute a class or type of criminal offense under state law. Higgins has made a public declaration that he will not prosecute simple drug possession offenses and that he will divert resources in the prosecution thereof. He will not prosecute simple cannabis possession offenses. He will not prosecute doctors who illegally treat transgender minors or perform unlawful abortions. The petition also says an excessive amount of cannabis, meth, and cocaine are being declined for random and non-specific reasons. Under Section 87.011 of the Texas Local Government Code, a DA may be removed from office for official misconduct. A jury trial is demanded, asking to suspend Higgins and appoint another person to perform the duties of the office. State Representative Aaron Swiner for Texas House District 45 reacted to this petition via Twitter. The tweet says Anderson clearly doesn't share our values or the values of Hays County, and now he's wasting taxpayer resources filing a ridiculous lawsuit against another county official. In a statement from Anderson, he said in part, quote, "I fully support a woman's right to bodily autonomy as well as a transgender person to bodily autonomy. I also agree that the prosecutions of minor drug offenses have negatively impacted the justice system and the fairness thereof. This doesn't mean that I or any other elected official can personally undermine the laws that we swore to uphold or, in the case of a district attorney, enforce. Secondly, I will elaborate that our district attorney lacks professional courtesy and decorum. I experienced Kelly Higgins' blind rage firsthand in the beginning of this year when he exploded in my office and attempted to intimidate me by threatening litigation via magnanimous action for a misunderstanding on how we process subpoenas. This could have been solved with a meeting or a simple phone call."